Hello over there at West Hills Landscape Company. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we're a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. Thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was told Carlos would be the correct person to watch this video, so Carlos, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video, though, you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. Also, if you're working with a SEO agency already or a web designer, this video will show you what you have currently going on the background, and I'll also compare with one of your competitors online. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Your website looks good. Looks like this is it here. You have a lot of content, images. The navigation is fairly simple. The colors are great. The phone number is clickable. The email also is clickable, which is a bonus. Overall, this is a good website. The first thing you want to go over is the content. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, is spamming, just laying out keywords, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without any protocol. This is just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam, and that's not a good look for your company. Let's jump into the Ahrefs tool here that we use. This is a great tool. If you want to jump into Ahrefs.com, and if you don't mind paying for it, this is a good setup to figure what you have going or monitor what you have going on behind the scenes of your website. Currently, this is your website here. Currently, you have 15 backlinks, 5 referring domains, 0 keywords, again with the keywords here, organic traffic, 0. So you're not getting any traffic going onto your website organically. The keywords, you have none. Buyer intent keywords is what we recommend. An example would be exactly how I found you or your company. The keyword on this one, in this case, would be landscaping, Irvine, California. Of course, you're not in the first page of Google, which we decided to contact you, is the reason why we decided to contact you. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your URL level here, which currently you're at 10%. Of course, you could increase this. Referring domains falls under the citation group. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services, to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That is what a citation is. The citation meter would fall under the DR here, which you currently have 28. It's important to keep this at a 1-to-1 ratio. And of course, by adding backlinks and referring domains, this will boost up these both meters here. So it's important to know how to use protocols and insert more backlinks and citations onto your website. So unfortunately, no traffic. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls and leads, and who doesn't want that, right? Let's go to one of your competitors here. Looks like Bill and Dave's Landscape Maintenance Company. This is their website here, also a good website. In their homepage, though, they don't have a lot of content, but they are beating you with backlinks and referring domains. As you can see here, organic keywords are 333. Per month, they're receiving 376 people jumping onto their website. So they are declining here. Sadly, their UR level is at a 0. That's not a good sign. This is beatable, FYI. You could beat this, guys. It just takes a lot of work. This video pretty much is showing you how to do that, what you should look for and what you should implement to your website. You do have 15.5, but it's not beating out these guys, unfortunately. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information, Carlos, or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.